the different stages that we see agencies going through with their clients. So I think of it as a little bit of a best practice of how to use the insights and then work with your clients to build out a plan. Phase zero, and I think this is where you run that initial visibility audit for whether it's like an existing client of yours that wants to understand how they show up in AI search, or maybe it's a prospective client that you're preparing to talk to. But I think it's important to always run this first analysis and to really see how does the brand show up in AI across the different models today. Like this is a snapshot in time, but before you go and make changes to the personas and the prompts and everything else that you can customize, it's important to kind of let the brand see like how are they showing up today, and whether it's, hey, these are the personas that, or the buyers that the models see as your key customers. This is what those key customers are searching for, or what they're asking about. I think it's important. These are the topics that they're asking about. That's kind of like, I think, an important step one that you can have as the foundation. And then I think in phase one, it's okay, we had the conversation. They can see their visibility by overall, by persona, by topic. And now it's like working with them to really understand, is there alignment between how AI, who they see as your personas of the brand, and then who the brand really sees as their key personas, making sure there's alignment there, making sure these topics are the right topics that the brand cares about and that they're building their strategy around. Maybe there's a new product, a new service that they're rolling out or they're thinking about moving into. Those are all things that you can think about in customizing the topics, the personas, or the prompts. And then which of the models are they focused on? Maybe they're not focused on every single model that's out there. So maybe there's two or three or four different models that they want to hone in on where they feel like their customers are likely leveraging those models today. And then moving into phase two is really building out the plan. So you want to make sure as you're taking action, whether it's looking at the technical setup of the website and the schemas, whether it's looking at the content that's on the website. Is it crawlable? Is it readable? Is it addressing the right topics that your personas are really looking for, and that the AI models are like using to get the answers? Is it relevant to that topic and to those personas? Is the brand URL being cited? Are there competitors being cited? And then for the URLs that are being cited most frequently, is your brand in that discussion? Are they in the article? Are they in the video? These are all the types of insights that you can get out of the platform today that can really inform your plan that you roll out. And then phase three is just really executing against those different pillars, whether it's the technical improvements, building out a content calendar, focusing on citations. These are all plans in themselves. And then making sure that you're setting up to monitor that on a regular basis. We're moving towards a monthly subscription model, which is a good cadence to kind of monitor things. So as you're making changes, you're seeing how things are moving. You'll have kind of a weekly or daily pulse that you can check as you're making changes to make sure that, hey, we're moving the needle in the right direction. And then you have that full monthly audit that you can leverage to continue to work through the plan with your brand clients.